The 2008 financial crisis destroyed millions of lives. Banks collapsed. People lost their homes. Why? Because the global economy runs on interest, debt, and gambling with fake money. But there's a system that survived the crisis almost untouched: Islamic finance. And it might be the solution the world needs in 2025. Islamic finance is not just for Muslims. It's an ethical financial system based on fairness, transparency, and real assets. The core principle? No riba, no interest. Why? Because interest creates wealth from nothing. You lend $100, demand $120 back. That $20 came from thin air. It exploits the borrower and creates economic bubbles. Islamic finance says money should grow through real trade, not exploitation. If you want profit, invest in a business, share the risk, and share the reward. Not guaranteed returns, real partnership. Islamic finance has 5 core principles. 1. No riba, no interest. 2. No gharar, no excessive uncertainty or gambling. No speculative trading where you bet on prices without owning anything. 3. No haram industries. You can't invest in alcohol, gambling, pork, or weapons. Your money must go to ethical businesses. 4. Asset-backed financing. Every transaction must involve a real asset. No fake derivatives or paper wealth. 5. Profit and risk sharing. The lender and borrower share both profit and loss. If the business fails, both lose. If it succeeds, both win. This creates accountability and reduces reckless lending. During the 2008 crisis, Islamic banks barely flinched. Why? Because they don't gamble. They don't create fake debt. They don't sell toxic assets. They invest in real businesses with real value. Compare that to conventional banks that collapsed because they sold mortgages to people who couldn't pay, then repackaged those bad debts and sold them again. Pure gambling. Islamic finance says, if you lend money, you must share the risk. This prevents banks from making reckless decisions. It protects both the bank and the customer. Islamic finance isn't perfect, but it offers something the world desperately needs: ethics, fairness, accountability. As global debt reaches record levels and economic crises loom, maybe it's time to learn from a system that's been working for 400 years. Share this with someone interested in economics. Subscribe for more. May Allah guide us to what's best. Ameen.